Here's how to change your voice on Discord Mobile in a way that's simple and actually works, using Voice Mod. First, install the Voice Mod app. If you're on Android, head to the Play Store. If you're using an iPhone, go to the App Store. Just search for Voice Mod and install it like any other app. Once it's on your phone, open it up. Now create an account or log in if you already have one. Tap the menu icon in the top right to get started. Once you're logged in, you'll see a bunch of voice filters: robot, alien, chipmunk, all that fun stuff. Next, open up your Discord app. Tap your profile icon in the bottom right, then tap the gear icon at the top right to go into Settings. Scroll down until you see App Settings and tap on Voice. Now here's the tricky part. In most cases, Discord Mobile doesn't let you change your input device directly like it does on desktop. So Voice Mod might not show up as an option right away. If that happens, here's what you can do instead. Close the Discord app and open your mobile browser, like Chrome or Safari. Go to discord.com, tap the three dots in your browser menu, and select Request Desktop Site. Then log into your account from there. Once you're in, go to your user settings, navigate to Voice and Video, and you might be able to select Voice Mod as your input source that way.